trip. First fuel stop, just into Arkansas. Hair's a mess from the beanie. Car's doing great so far. See how much fuel it takes, see what our fuel economy looks like. Let's see how we did. We got 22.37 gallons.
That's not bad.
How many miles did we go?
270.
Crawl back in here. Let's see, what do we get? Breakfast of Champions.
Oh yeah, delicious.
We did
272.
272. Any guess what we averaged?
21 miles a gallon.
You wish. 12.2.
Dang.
We'll see if we do any better on this one.
Oh yeah.
At least it'll be a little warmer. Just finished up some Taco Bell here in Mississippi. Time to get back on the road.
While we're filling up, I might go get like some.
Stop number 2. Just check the oil. Putting Preston to work.
We'll say that.
So we just did 265 miles. Filled up the tank. 14.9 gallons, so 17.8 miles to the gallon.
Closer to 21.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen. Pretty surprising.